Welcome to our third episode of Rolly Vision, and tonight I've got Annika and
Aniki,
and we're here to discuss one of the 2017 what would you call it, trends that we've wasted probably more than $100 on. Is that right, Annika?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Cheers
for the
waste of 2017 fidget spinners. So, Annika, tell me about the fidget spinners that you purchased.
Well, that's very shiny, diamondy looking thing was $35, and rest of them was 25, 10, whatever. Some of them I got lost.
Or broken.
Yeah, broken.
Yeah. So we purchased, because we were right into the whole fidget spinner craze of 2017, probably around 12 months ago that it actually occurred. Can't understand, frankly, how it actually didn't progress to anything substantial, but anywho. So like you, we've got the 25 or 35?
This was the dragon wings.
The $35 dragon wings, very limited edition, apparently, only probably 3 million of those. And then we got the Spider-Man, and with Spider-Man, you managed to get a free one. So that was 25. Oh, this one was this the one? This one.
Producer trying
this
to
one
tell
and
us
this
something.
one. Dragon. This is dragon. Yeah, and then this is some other one similar but not the same.
Anyhow.
Oh, this one, and this one. Oh,
Fine.
Sorry, producer. Got where you're on now. This one was 35. We got this one for free. Cheers.
Free stuff.
Right. And then we got Spider-Man and Batman, which is not bad. And then we've got a whole bunch of other ones, right? So, anywho, wait a minute. So basically we've got that one, that $35, $100.
That one I have to actually line up to get that.
You're joking.
No, and there was the last one. I actually get it, that color and that diamond color. My son wanted.
Yeah, anyway. Alright.
Yeah.
So
missed out green one.
so now one thing I will say, because I've got a special fidget spinner here, so if you like and subscribe, then we'll give it away. And this fidget spinner actually lights up.
Yay!
Isn't that great?
Awesome.
Doesn't actually work.
It will work.
Anyway, it sort of kind of works. Alright. So,
and we
Annika, I was surprised because you've actually gone one step ahead of most.
And we got actually 50 awesome tricks.
Awesome tricks.
Yeah. For $100.
More than $100.
More than $100, yeah. Okay.
And this? $6. $6.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Mm.
Alright, now, so when you told me about this Fidget Spinner 50 Awesome Tricks book, right, I thought, well, what a better way than for us to actually road test it and see if, because I can guarantee that my children didn't actually give a two hoots about this book or actually even look at it.
No.
What about yours? No?
No.
Yeah, that's what I figured. So I thought we should road test this. So before we got started, I actually did do a bit of Googling and had a look at a few videos and that kind of stuff, right? One of the things I actually noticed, which may or may not be the reason why fidget spinners are actually not on trend anymore, is the amount of eye injuries that these little babies have actually caused.
Really?
So, in the interest of safety, I think we need to wear eye goggles before we actually get started. We're going to show you a few tricks today. Okay? Okay, cool. So I've got some eye goggles here. Right. That's good, that's good. Alright. Alright, so now, have you been perusing the fidget spinner book? It's a bit foggy. It's like, how am I going to read this? I can't even. I might just put my eyes on underneath it.
Yeah.
So, have you got any tricks to show me,
Oh, yeah.
Annika?
Oh, look at that. Green. And it's all different colors. Is it? Came out.
There's very different colours.
Oh,
You can get different colours.
Then we start drawing each other. Then we.
That you're crying. Oh, you fogged over. You fogged over. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Anyhow, cheers. I think I had too much today.
No, never too much.
Oh, yeah. Well, we start from what was the
Oh,
steps?
the first one. Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay, to get started, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
Oh.
Oh, caught it that time. Alright, so get to know your fidget spinner, right? There's 3 bits to your fidget. There's the blades. They're the rotating parts of the spinner. Make sure nothing is touching the blades so they can move freely.
Not like
not
that.
like that.
Yeah, no.
Not like that. Then there's the weights.
Well,
So the weights are the smooth rotation of. They ensure the smooth rotation of the spinner.
what's the weight?
So I think it's the bit in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can
So
see
the
that.
more, so like depending on the weight of it, and then the caps, they're the raised things. So that,
What's the cap?
yeah, that's probably not a good example.
Cap?
This one. I think they're the caps.
Ooh,
The edgy bits.
They're the diamonds.
These allow you to hold the spinner at the top and the bottom. Oh no, they're the caps. What are you
Oh,
holding
caps.
onto?
That's the caps. Yeah.
Maybe that's
Cool.
the weights in there.
Oh yeah.
All right. So let's get started.
Just a simple
Pinch and
pinch
spin.
and spin.
Pinch and spin.
Yay!
Pinch and
Easy.
Pinch and spin. Pinch and spin. Oh, what about the one hand flip?
Yeah.
Oh, hang on.
Go,
It's a bit unsafe. Hang on a sec.
Oh, sorry. Where is my tempo?
What about the balancing? Can you do the balancing?
I'm trying. Oh yeah, look at that. Woohoo.
And the double spin.
What's the spinning?
I don't know. Oh, you can do 2. You
Oh,
can do that.
Alright. And one with that thing.
Oh,
Oh,
right.
yeah. Okay.
All right. Next one. Oh, 2 on the top.
Oh,
2
look at
together.
that. Oh, look at that. Yeah, perfect, isn't it? Oh, look
Oh,
at
yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's easy. With cheating?
All right. Now, as you go through the book, there's degrees of difficulty, like 1 fidget or 2 fidgets. Like, what about the knee spin? You got the knee spin?
Yeah, and he's been going. Perfect. I've been practicing for a month. And on the toe? Yeah.
On the toe? Awesome. I'm impressed.
Look at that.
I'm impressed. Is there
It's
going
not
to?
falling anywhere.
Is there going
Very
to be?
easy.
Is
Very
there going
easy
to
steps.
be? Is there going to be like fidget spinner in the spinning in the Olympics or?
I'm trying. I'm really practicing hard every night.
All right. What about like? I don't know if you can do a friend pass. That's a bit difficult. What
why
other
we
ones
need-
did
That's
you?
what we need the goggles, because when you're gonna
Oh.
pass off you have to catch it perfectly in
Right,
the middle. So
right.
that's why it's there. So.
All right. Hang on a sec. What do I have to do? Okay, grab it. Hang on. Let me put the goggles on.
No, we have to.
He's supposed to catch
Give
that.
it to me. I don't understand. See, it's foggy.
Ah! That one cuts your fingers off. What about the dragon one?
No.
Ready?
No.
Put your hood on.
I'm
Ready?
fine.
Or you throw it to me. I'll give you a crack. Oh,
In the middle. You need to get
Alright.
in the middle.
And
Anyway.
then there's this one you can make it like suspend or something. Is that right?
I don't know.
Wasn't there a suspend like you can hang it off your finger?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. See? Yeah, see? Magic.
I reckon I can do that.
Magic.
I reckon I can do that trick.
You see?
Ready? Which one? Oh, we'll use this one. This
That's
one's a
it.
cool one. Oh, that's a bit heavy.
Awesome tricks.
It doesn't even spin.
That trick is better. Not working.
It's called the UFO. That's my trick's called the UFO.
Then you have to fly.
There,
I
yay!
can't see anything.
All right. Well,
Anyhow,
I'm not surprised.
that didn't last for
More than 3 minutes. 3 months.
3 months.
$100.
$100. Spend
Kids don't
again.
play with them.
No.
Into the bin they go.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, fidget spinners.
See you next time.